Hello everyone. Now let's begin with the exercise 2A. Okay, and before this solved questions and about the theory I have already uploaded. Okay, so first main we are having that is MCQ's question. In that first question is 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 3 minus 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 3. As you can see here, we are having the powers in the negative sign, so we have to make it in the positive. To make it positive, what we will do the reciprocal of that their bases. Okay, like minus 3 is base, we are having 1 by 3. When I'll do the reciprocal of that, 3 comes to the numerator and 1 goes to the denominator. Now its power will become plus 3 and minus it will remain as it is. Similarly we have to do this side. Now we will get for the 2 by 1 raised to the power 3. Okay, now 3 we have to multiply how many times? 3 times, like 3 minus this time this side 2 we have to multiply 3 times, and 1 it is not necessary to write. Okay, now 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, and at left side 2 2 is a right side 2 2 is a 4, 4 2 is a 8. Okay, now when I'll do subtraction of 27 minus 8, I'll get answer 19, and these options we will get in the C. Okay, second question. See, in this question we don't have any negative power, so simply we will start simplifying. Now 2 by 3 I'll write 3 times, 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. Now this multiplications and as it is. Now 3 by 2, see 3 by 2 we have to write how many times? 6 times. Okay, 3 by 2 into 3 by 2, 3 by 2 into 3 by 2, 4 times done, 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. Now in all the numbers we are having a multiplication sign, so we can do the cancellation like numerator to denominator. Now 2 get cancels here, 2 get cancels. Now we will cancel 3 and 3. Now what left? Only we left with this 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, and 2 2 is a 4, 4 2 is a 8. So answer for this we found that is 27 by 8, and we have option with the B. Now we have question number 3. 8 raised to the power 0 plus 8 raised to the power minus 1 plus 4 raised to the power minus 1. Now 8 raised to the power 0, this answer we can write 1. Why? Because any base, if it is there and if it is power is 0, the answer will be 1. Okay, now here this is negative, we need to make a positive, so we have to do reciprocal. Similarly for this. Okay, now all the numbers in between we are having a positive sign, so we have to do the LCM. Now we have 3 numbers and nothing it is there. Let me place 1 here, so we have to take a LCM of 184. Okay, and 1 LCM obviously we will get only, so I'm just taking 8 and 4 here. Now start with the all numbers are even. Start with the smallest prime number, that is 2. 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4. Now 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is, we left with only 2. 2 1 is 2, 1 as it is. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. So LCM for 1 8 4 we found, that is 8. Now 1 8 is 8, 8 1 is 8, 4 2 is 8. Okay, 1 into 8 I'll get 8 plus sign, 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into 2 I'll get 2. Now we have to add the numerators. 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 by 8. So for this we answer found, that is 11 by 8, and in the options we don't have a 11 by 8. Now we will convert to the mixed form. Okay, 11 divided by 8, 8 ones are 8. So after subtraction we left with a 3. Now we can write like a 1 3 by 8, right? And this we will get in the option B. Okay, sorry. So we will write 1 3 by 8 this answer, and the option B is the correct answer for this. Now question number 4. Minus 5 raised to the power 5 into minus 5 raised to the power minus 3 is equals to. Now to simplify this, as you can see here the power is positive sign, so not necessary to do the reciprocal of this. So simply I am writing minus 5 into minus 5. How many times? 5 times. Okay, minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. Now this sign, now here it is minus 3. No, now we have to make a reciprocal. So when I'll do the reciprocal of this, I'll get that is 1 by minus 1 by 5 raised to the power 3. Okay, the minus remains same. Now here minus 1 by 5 into minus 1 by 5 into minus 1 by 5. Okay, now see here this 5 get cancels, 5 get cancels, 5 get cancels. Along with this minus also it will get cancels. Okay, now what left? We left with only these two negative signs of 5. Now minus plus 5 is a 25. So for this option we are having D. Now second main evaluate. In that first question is 3 raised to the power minus 1 into 9 raised to the power minus 1 bracket complete divided by 3 raised to the power minus 2. Again, as you can see here, all the powers are having negative signs. Now first we have to make it a positive. So for that we have to do reciprocal, right? Now it's not necessary to write here 1. If you're not written also, this is it remains 1 only. Now don't forget to write the bracket. Now division sign as it is, and this we will write 1 by 3 raised to the power 2. Okay, now further now I'll do this multiplication, or just we will leave like that only. 1 by 3 into 1 by 9. Now we will convert this division sign to multiplication. So when I'll do the conversion, thus again we have to do reciprocal of that right side number. So here we are having, so now it will become 3 raised to the power 2 divided by 1. Okay, now we have to write this is 2 times 3 into 3, and 1 is not necessary to write, we know that. 3 get cancels, 3 1s are 3 3s are 9. So what left in the numerator? We left with only 1, and in the denominator we left with only 3. Okay. Now question number 2, again what we have to do? We have to do reciprocal only. Obviously here we will get 1 by 3 into 1 by 4 bracket complete division sign. Let me write as it is. Now first we will do reciprocal of this. So for this I'll get 1 by 6. Now further 1 by 3, let me write as it is, 1 into 1 by 4. Now convert division to multiplication. Then now 6 goes to the numerator. Okay, now 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Okay, 3 1s are 3. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So what left in the numerator? Only left with 1, and in the denominator we left with only 2 here. Now we have question number 3. See, here it is plus sign, it is there, little different from the first and second question, but and first as it is power, it is having a negative sign. Now let me make it a positive. For that we have to make a reciprocal, right? Now put bracket raised to the power 3. Here in between we are having plus sign, so we have to do the LCM of 2 and 3, and 2 and 3's LCM we will get, that is 6. 2, how much is the 6? 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. 1 into 3, that is 3, plus sign, it is there, 2 into 1 we will get 2. Now put a bracket and raise to the power 3. Okay, further 3 plus 2 is 5 by 6 raised to the power 3. Now 5 how many times we have to do? Multiply, that is 3 times. 5 5 is a 25, 25 5 is a 125. And at the denominator 6 6 is 36, 36 6 we will get 216. Okay. See here, again let's make it a positive power, that is 1 by 3 raised to the power 1 divided by 1 by 4 raised to the power 1 and bracket raised to the power 2. Okay, now we are having division sign. Now let's convert to the multiplication sign, right? So 1 by 3 remains as it is. Now when I'll convert divisions to multiplication, reciprocal happens here. So for this we will get 4 by 1 bracket complete, and the power is as it is. Now 4 into 1 I'll get 4, and at the denominator 3 into 1, that is 3. Now bracket raised to the power 2. Now 4 we have to multiply 2 times. 4 4s are 16 and 3 3s are 9. Okay, now this is improper. Now let's make to mixed form. For that we need to divide 16 by 9. 9 1s are 9. So 16 minus 9, how much I'll get? 6 7 8 9. So 7 gets a remainder. So this we can write 1 7 by 9. For this I'll write just or. So answer 16 by 9 or 1 7 by 9. Now we have question number 5. Here, see here, there is no any negative power, so we will do the multiplication 2 times, like 2 2s are 4, and here 3 3s are 9. Bracket complete, and this side 1 by 2 2s are 4. Now for the 4 plus 9 I'll get 13 into 1 by 4. Now 13 into 1 I'll get 13 by 4. Okay, now 13 by 4 is improper. Now we can convert to the mixed form. So for that we need to divide 13 by 4. 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12. So what left the remainder? We left with 1. So this 13 by 4 also we can write. 3 comes in the whole number place, 1 goes to the numerator and divided by 4. Okay. Now we have question number 6. See here, there is no any negative power, but here we are having, right? So simplify. Now 5 5 is 25 minus 3 3 is 9. Bracket complete into, here we have to make a reciprocal. So for that I'll get 3 by 2 power. Now it's become a 3. Okay, now 25 minus 9 I'll get 16, and this side instead of multiplication, what I'll do 3 by 2 3 times. Why? Because in the denominator we are having even number, so we can do the cancellation of with a 16. Okay, now 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now see here in the numerator we left with 2 3 3 3. Okay, now 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 2s are how much I'll get? I'll get 54. Okay, question number 7. In this, see again all the powers are negative signs, so let's do the reciprocal. For 1 by 4 I'll get 4 raised to the power 3 minus here 3 raised to the power plus 3, put a square bracket complete. Now division sign as it is, and here I'll get 6 raised to the power plus 3. Okay, so here I'll multiply 4 3 times. Okay, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are I'll get 64 minus 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Bracket complete. Now here it is a division sign. Now let me convert to the multiplication sign. Now here reciprocal happens, that I'll get 1 by 6 raised to the power 3. Now here 64 minus 27 I'll get 37, and here I'll do 6 3 times multiplication, like 6 6 the 36, 36 6 the 216. So for this answer we will get, that is 37 by 216. Now we are having question number 8. This question is little different from the other questions, and here we are going to apply powers law. Okay, because we are having double time like a powers. Okay, so to simplify this, let me write minus 3 by 4 as it is. First we will do power multiply. Minus 2 into 2 I'll get minus 4. Okay, now we are having a negative power. Now let's do the reciprocal. I'll get minus 4 by 3 bracket 4. Now we have to multiply 4 by 3 4 times. Okay, since here it is a negative sign and the power we are having even number, so answer we will get obviously plus. Now 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 64 4s are I'll get, that is 256. Now at the denominator 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. Okay, now here we will convert this improper to mixed form. So for that we need to divide 256 divided by 81. Okay, now here near to this 81 3s are I'll get 243. Okay, now do the subtraction. 6 minus 3 I'll get 3, 5 minus 4 I'll get 1 and 0. Now when I'll write in the mixed form I'll get 3 13 by 81. Okay, just I'm writing here or. Now we are having question number 9, and in this also we have to apply the powers law. Okay, so for that 3 by 5 let me write as it is. Minus 2 into minus 2 I'll get plus 4. Okay, now 3 by 5 we have to multiply 4 times. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are I'll get 81, and at the denominator 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, and 125 5s are I'll get 625. Okay, now question number 10. Again we are having the negative powers, right? Now do the reciprocal. For this I'll get 1 by 5 into 1 by 3 bracket complete. Now this 1 by 6. Okay, now see here 1 into 1 1, 5 3s are 15. Now convert division to multiplication sign. That time we have to do reciprocal of this also. So for this I'll get 6 by 1. Okay, now see here 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So for this I'll get 2 by 5. Question number 3. If 1125 is equals to 3 raised to the power m into 5 raised to the power n, find the m and n. See here we need to find the value of m and n. So here 1125 it has been given, no? So to this we will start doing the short division with it, and here it is odd number, start with the 3. Now 3 3s are 9, 11 minus 9 I'll get 2, 3 7s are 21, 22 minus 21 left with 1, 3 5s are 50. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, left 1, 3 5s are 15. Now further let me take 5, 5 2s are 10, left 2, 5 5s are 25. Now take 5, 5 5s are 25, again left with 5 1s are 5. Now 3 it has a 2 times, 5 it is a 3 times. Okay, so 3 I'll write 3 raised to the power 2 into 5 raised to the power 3. Why I'm writing 2? Because we need to do all the multiplication, no? And the right side 3 raised to the power m into 5 raised to the power n. Now here what we can do, we can equate like this. Okay, 3 raised to the power 2 is equals to 3 raised to the power m, and this side, and one more we have, no, that is 5 raised to the power 3, which is equals to 5 raised to the power m. Now the base are same, get cancels, m value we found, that is 2. base get cancels, and n value we found that is here 3. Since m and 2 n value we found that is 2 and 3 here. And for this question also we can do the cross check. So in the place of m, what the m value found, that is 2 no, into 5, and n value we are having 3. 3 is 9 into 5 is 25, 25 5 is we will get 125, and when we will do the multiplication of this, we will answer we will get that is 1125. That only it has been given here. Okay. Now we are left with the last question from this exercise, question number 4. In this we need to find out the value of x. Okay. Now here this side, left side we are having 9 into 3 raised to the power x, and right side we are having 27 raised to the power 2x minus 3. Now again for 9 we will do the short division method. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So 3 how many times we got? 2 times. So for 9 we can write 3 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power x is equals to 27 raised to the power 2x minus 3. Now both bases are same, what we can do? So when both bases are same powers, what we can do? We can do add. So 2 plus x, and this 27 raised to the power 2x minus 3. I can see here this side we got the base 3 and this side it is 27. So what we need to do, actually we wanted to cancel the base, so then only we can equate the power. So let me convert 27. Again for that what we will do? We will do the short division method. Okay. Now 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So how many times we got? 3 times, that is. Now 3 raised to the power 3. Now for 27 we got 3 raised to the power 3. Again whole bracket raised to the power 2x minus 3. Now here we will apply the powers law. So for that we need to multiply 3 into 2x minus 3. Okay. So I'm just writing this side. I'm just making this side multiplication. 3 2s are 6, 6x, and minus 3 3s are 9. So for 3 raised to the power we found that is 6x minus 9, and the left side we are having 3 raised to the power 2 plus x. Now both bases are same, so let's do the cancellation. Now we can equate the powers. So for that 2 plus x is equals to 6x minus 9. Now what I'll do, we will do the shifting here. So same variables we will shift to the same side. So x I'll shift to the right side. So I'll get 6x minus x. It will change right sign. Now meanwhile what I'll do, I'll take this minus 9 to left side. So when it will shift to that side, it will become plus 9. 9 plus 2 is 11, and this side I'll get 5x. Therefore x value we found that is 11 by 5. Okay. Now this 11 by 5 also we can just write in the mixed form. For that 5 2s are 10 and 1 left. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 is 11 by 5. Okay. And for this question also we can do the cross check. So in the place of x we can substitute the 11 by 5. Okay. Now let's do that. Now in the place of x, let me substitute 11 by 5. Okay. 9 into 3 raised to the power 11 by 5 is equals to 27 raised to the power, see here, 2 into 11 by 5 minus 3. Okay. Now 9 we can write as we know that 3 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 11 by 5. Okay. Both bases are same. So what we can do? We can just add the power. So it will become 2 plus 11 by 5. Okay. Now 2 plus 11 by, I'm just doing this side. 2 plus 11 by 5. So here it is positive sign. So what we need to do? We need to take the LCM. So nothing it is there. Let me place 1. 1 and 5 LCM. I'll get 5 here. 1 5 is 5. 5 1 is 5. 5 2 is 10 plus 11 into 1 11. So after addition I'll get this side 21 by 5. So 3 raised to the power 21 by 5 I'll get. Okay. Now we will do the at right side. Now this side see here. Now this side see here. Okay. Now see here. 2 into 11. Okay. Let me write 27 as it is. 2 into 11, that is 22 by 5 minus 3. Now this I'll do separately here. 22 by 5 minus 3. Again nothing it is there. Let me place 1 and 5 and 1's LCM I'll get 5. 5 1's are 5. 1 5's are 5. 22 into 1 I'll get 22 minus 5 3's are 15. Now here I'll get 7 by 5. Okay. Now let me write here. So before that 27 also we can write 3 raised to the power 3, right? Now here I'll write into okay, I'll just add one more step. So bracket 7 by 5. Okay. Now see here, this value we found 7 by 5. Now as you can see here, we will apply the products law. So for that 3, let me write as it is. 7 3 is 21. 21 by 5. Now bases are, we can cancel. So what we got left side 21 by 5 which is equals to 21 by 5 at right side. Hence what we found that x value, that is 11 by 5. No, that is correct. Okay. So here I have completed this exercise 2A. In the next video I'll start uploading the next exercise. Okay. Thank you.